Fairhaven. Gates open, they're up and racing, showing a speed like a bullet ahead. Fuego running by the rail to match the pace setter is South Pearl, sneaking in down on the inside. Fairhaven in between runners. Mr. Savior running alongside is Big Bang. Boss Pogi running by the rail, then comes Emperadora moving up alongside Dr. Choice, followed over by the stablemate Frying Eyes running by the rail. New Golden City running third last, Sweet Julian, Forever Young second last, and Sophia's Beauty is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Now we have South Pearl, still the pilot by about a length. Big Bang moving up to take second. Fairhaven drops back in third. Racing in fourth, Dr. Choice. Fuego down in fifth, followed over by Prying Eyes by the rail. Emperadora moving up. Mr. Savior. New Golden City also closing in, followed by Boss Pogi. Then comes Sweet Julian, Forever Young, and Sophia's Fury is still running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 450. Big Bang now in command, moving up to take second on the outside. Fairhaven. South Pearl drops back in third as they turn to the final 400-meter stretch run up Santa Ana Park. Big Bang still leading the field. Fairhaven remains in second. South Pearl is in third. Dr. Choice, Prying Eyes with the last 150 more to run. The top favorite, Big Bang, this time by about 6 lengths. And finally, Big Bang. Second is Fairhaven, then comes 7A, Prying Eyes, South Pearl, Forever Young, close between Boss Pogi, Fuego, New Golden City, Sophia's Fury, Dr. Choice, Sweet Julian, Mr. Savior, and Emperadora.